at that, they're green tree. Welcome back to my channel, Eshaal again today. This is our new mall. It is our supermarket, and as you can see, because such amazing trees. Acha. So look at these trees. That one is green. Come on, let's go and see them closely. Look at that, they're green tree. This is green leaves with yellow fake grapes on them. I feel like to jump and grab one of them, but I can't. I'm too short. Let me jump and try to grab that one. Is walking. I can't. Again. Look at this one. It has some furry sparkling balls on it, and it has green leaves. I'm so amazed. So let's go in the mall now. We're going to get late. To get one of my sandals, and yes, because I'm getting a sandal, I don't have one of my shoe on, so I can see the size, and these are all of it, and I've gotten one here. So this is the pair we're getting. It's the good size, it fits me, it's comfortable, and it's so cute. So we're getting this. Let me put the hanger off. We're going to get this one. So nice. I have seen it, it's my size, and it's so cute. So let's put it in the cart. I have cart. Let's do it again. Put it inside. Now let's start wearing. So I'm really excited. I mean, I got my slipper. This is so amazing. This is a monkey. Oh, like this. And these are toys. Let me show it from the start. So here are some baby dolls that you can take care of. I don't know if these are. I understand. This is a big one. I don't know what I have to take care of. This is a big one. And amazing, beautiful dolls and a baby and Elsa and Anna. So much. So this is Elsa and Anna. This is Elsa. And this is Anna. This is Anna too. This is Elsa. And they have a button here. They have to put cells in them first. And this is a doll with so cute puppies. And it's baby. Okay, it's space. I'm going to show you something. Okay. It scared me. Guys, look here, guys. Look. These dolls are so cute, and they have tons of hair growing. They're so cute. It's because like hugging them, and she's so amazing. I'm going to name this Happy. Guys, look, these are doctors. So amazing. Eating stuff so we can eat them, but I don't want it. I'm now going home, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if not, you will like it. If you like this all of the traveling, and don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. So I'll catch you in new video. Bye guys. Wait a minute. Oh my god, the car is going to start. Let's get inside before everyone